Get the money, you no get, na so some people go the best say. If you talk, you no talk, they go say you too talk, make you just take jolly they go. Everybody say, if you like it, go play. If you like it, bad day. Anything when you do for this life, my brother, not for your head though. This one not true story, oh. They go see me, they go up higher. Anyhow when you be, make you know say Baba God dey for your side. Make una hear me, very well okay. Who God has blessed side, no one can fall. If you get the money, you no get, na so some people go the best say.
This wooden device converts water to its horizontally reciprocating to and fro motion. This is one of the several ways to achieve this motion that can do many kinds of work. The device was specially assembled to give you a better view of the most important component in this design, which is quite a workaholic mechanism that has been applied in many industrial machines, despite its relative simplicity, to produce a wide variety of effects such as cutting, pounding, vibration, sewing, digging, and so on. It consists of a piece with a groove, vertical with respect to the right horizontal to and fro motion, having a length about the diameter of a wheel from which a peripheral driving pole projects. A wooden jar placed to move freely on the pole was used as the wheel. The device was assembled by attaching one on either side of the wheel two grooved pieces whose grooves allow the lateral pieces attached to the vertically grooved piece driven by the wheel's peripheral pole to freely move back and forth. A red glove was attached to one of the lateral pieces just to simulate a working hand. The machine is quite versatile as it generates reciprocating rectilinear motion from either clockwise or anti-clockwise motion. The speed and pattern of the strokes can be regulated by the wheel.
Thanks for watching, and we should always remember that it's not important. You don't know the